Hello everyone, I'm Asha Best. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are happy. Dear children, today I welcome you all in class 6, 4th chapter of geography, maps. Today we'll be discussing second part of this chapter. Before starting with the second part of this chapter, let's have a quick revision of the first part. In the first part, dear students, we discussed about what is a map, types of maps, the components of a map. We discussed about the large scale maps as well as small scale maps. So let's begin with the second part of this chapter. The second important component of a map is direction. Maps usually contain an arrow marked with letter N on the upper right corner. This arrow with letter N indicates the north direction. It is known as the north line. This is the second important component. As I said, all the maps contains this arrow at the upper side, which is showing the upper side, and it shows north. As I said, it is also known as north line. The four major directions we use in a map are north, south, east and west. And these are called the cardinal points. We also have four intermediate directions, which are northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Yes, this slide is giving some more information. There are four major directions: north, east, west and south. And intermediate directions also: northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. These all are together known as the cardinal directions, or you can say the main directions and the sub-directions. With the help of a compass, we can find directions. Compass is a magnetic device. It has a magnetic needle which always points towards a north-south direction. The top of it points towards north, and the bottom of it points towards the south. Now let's talk about symbols. It is impossible to draw the actual shape and size of different objects and features such as building, roads and so on. These objects and features are drawn with the help of certain colors, letters, lines and drawings. There is an international agreement on the use of these symbols. These internationally agreed symbols are known as conventional symbols. They are used everywhere. This is the third important component of map. We cannot show features and places on a map in its actual shape. So to overcome this problem, we use symbols of every feature and place to show the perfect map in right manner. The symbol gives us lot of information in a limited space. Like if we are searching for a hospital, then you will see the symbol of a plus sign. This symbol gives us lot of information, as I said, that too using a limited space, and makes the map easy to read. Symbols used in map can't be different in any region. As I said, they are known as the conventional symbols. So these conventional symbols are used by everyone, which decides with an international agreement. You can see some examples of symbols of map here, like plus symbol, like the symbol of a temple, symbol of a school, a railway track, hospital, no parking zone. All these are the sign and symbols which explain about a particular area, as well as they are used by everyone everywhere. That is why they are known as conventional symbols. There are some of the keys which are used. These are the symbols which are used on a map. Like to represent mountains, there are small hills made. Highest elevation, which is shown here using this symbol. River is shown with a curved line. The capital city of a state or a country. Cities with this symbol. Towns, highway, railroad, airport, national park or reservation. These are the symbols which are basically used on a map. So these are the symbols which are used usually on a map. Now let's talk about sketch. A sketch is a rough drawing mainly based on memory and observation. It is drawn without a scale. It means that as scale is used or mandatory while drawing a map, but for a sketch, scale is not used. Without considering any scale, rather it is drawn on observation or observing something. Like sometimes in your school you must have observed that your drawing teacher or someone else tells you to draw a sketch of a particular village, particular place or something like that, in which you just remember something and then you put your observation on the piece of paper. That is the sketch you draw. So for this we need not to have a scale. Now what is a plan? A plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale, which gives a lot of information. It provides us very specific information such as length and breadth of the surrounding. Say an example, like you are about to purchase a house or you are about to purchase you can say build your own house, in which you plan everything. For example, you plan for different rooms, you plan for different areas where you are going to make certain things like different rooms, drawing room, bedroom, kitchen or something like that. So for that you plan everything like the length or the breadth of the rooms which you are going to build. So that is the plan. So this is all about the chapter. Hope you understood it. Hope you liked it. For better understanding of the chapter, please watch both the videos of this chapter together. We'll soon meet with some more videos from other chapters. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.